Contact posters are arguably one of the most beneficial and notable changes in iOS 17. Today, we're talking about how to set them up and how to share them with others. There are three primary ways that you can get to contact posters within iOS. You can go into the Contacts app, you can do it from Messages, or you can do it from your recent phone calls in the Phone app. But today, we're going to start in the Contacts app. Okay. So here we are in the Contacts app, and I'm gonna select my card up top. You can see I've already got something in here, but we're gonna go and edit this. So once you go into edit, you can change your personal information here. But this is where it gets really, really cool and really unique. So you'll notice that this looks really similar to building a lock screen on iOS 16. You can see I've already got two in here. I've got this one with my photo. We've got a Memoji one, but let's go and create a new one. So we can start, you've got options for photos, Memojis, or monograms. So in this case, I'm gonna start with a photo and we'll choose this one. And you'll see I've got a lot of options here. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. I can change the way I want this font to look. I can choose a different font. I can choose how thick I want it. I can even change the color. And there's a bunch of default presets in here. So if I scroll through, you'll see gradient backdrop where you can change the color. Got a seamless background, mono, maybe you want it green or blue. Got overprint, studio. So there's all kinds of really unique options. So I think I'm gonna go with that one and we will click done. So that will save. You'll see you get a preview here of what it's going to look like when you are on the phone with someone. We'll press continue again, and you can see the contact photo. So this would show up in the Phone app and in the Messages app. So we'll just tweak that there. We'll click choose, and we will be done. We'll click continue, and boom, you have created your first contact poster. Let's do that one more time and look at it if we're building an emoji. So we'll go in here and click edit, and we will create a new option here. We'll click Memoji. I've already got a handful in here, but one of the unique things is you can actually use your own face to create more unique poses. So we'll go ahead and click this one here, and you can see that my mouth is moving with exactly what I'm saying. So I could choose a different one. These are all presets. I think it's kind of unique that you can use your camera though, and you can make different faces and take a picture. So I'll take one like this, and we will use that photo. We can go like that, and that's the photo right there. I don't know if we're gonna keep that one though, so we'll go back and we will choose a default option here. And it's just like the other ones here where you can change the color. You can choose a background here. Maybe we'll go with that. And you can turn on the depth effect on or off. Off goes behind the text. If you turn it on, it'll be in front. We'll click done. And you've got the same thing here when you move on. You have the ability to crop in to create what you want your contact photo to look like. And we'll go ahead and click done. Once your contact poster is done, it's incredibly simple to share this with others. All you've got to do is tap two phones together with iOS 17, and your contact information will be shared with one another. And that's all there is to it. It's really simple to go in there and create some really fun and unique options. So I hope you learned something. I hope you try it out, and we'll see you in the next one.